We're going to talk about how coiling wires is a myth of the irrigation industry, that this small, tiny, eensy-weensy coil of wire can do anything to protect your controller from a power surge. I don't know if this is in other electronic communities or not. This is just kind of a thing, and I'm in what I call the anti-coiling because, well, I'm going to prove it to you right here with an experiment that these are all the same distance wires. This wire and these two already got coiled, one in a smaller coil than the other. But we're going to do a little experiment to prove that this does nothing to protect your controller. Where in theory it's sound, and yes, the longer a piece of wire is, these are all equal distance, that keep that in mind. The longer a piece of wire is, the more resistance it has. If you want to take electricity and think of it like water, amps is the oomph or the pressure pushing volts, which is the amount of electricity. You can think that as the volume of water. And ohms is the resistance, which is the opening you're trying to push it through. And this is the restriction, is the wire. Different materials conduct at different rates. These are all three copper wires from the same strand. And I'm going to illustrate right here. So, where the belief is held that this can do it, and there is some maybe scientific basis that, but this is not surge protection. Okay, so I'm going to get my voltmeter here. I have it set to ohms. Trying to do it without wiggling. 1.0, 0.09. Alright. This coil. So that you know, same. Same. Now, in case you think there's some tomfoolery going on, and take this that just went, you know, it goes 1.0 and then hits 1.9. I'm going to take the exact same wire and coil it to illustrate that there's no changeable difference, because you're not actually changing the distance of the wire. And that the increased amount of wire, maybe 1 foot, is not an increase enough to even help with surge protection. If you want surge protection, you need to place surge protection, depending on how hard I press, because there's corrosion and, you know, there's other variables. This isn't the super sensitivist equipment. Here's another one. Gonna get a battery. This is a 9 volt, but it's not fully charged. So we're gonna go to direct current, 6.96. So try to get this. Don't forget the Trigger Fanatics. Yo, check out Trigger Fanatics. 6.96. Changes nothing. There you go. Scientific evidence, not just hearsay, theory, actual proof and evidence that twisting your wires doesn't do anything to change the electrical current or doesn't do anything to protect against power surges. It's just something that people have been told. It's a myth that's perpetuated in the industry. If you're twisting wires and doing this nice fancy stuff that no one sees, you're literally just wasting your time on doing something that does nothing. It's kind of like Bob. And no, I'm trying to think of a good analogy. You're just wasting your time doing something that doesn't work. So there's the scientific proof.